Just wanted to record a quick room tour for you all of our 3-bedroom villa, room 1414 here at the Westin Nanea Ocean Villas. Let me take you on a tour. Alright, so here is the kitchen when you first walk in here. You can see a refrigerator on my right hand side. We have kind of a fisher net feature there. A large pantry for storing. And there's the blender, toaster, etc., as well as trash down there on the ground. We have various kitchen cabinets, the microwave, dishwasher, sink, coffee maker is out. All dishes are up here in the cabinets. You have the range hood as well as the range and stove right here, and a table for 6 right here in the middle. This also kind of doubles as some more counter space for you as you're cooking. Huge mirror over there on the left. We have the living room here. This is a pull-out sofa, pull-out queen bed, as well as a lounger there on the side. So it's good for about 2 extra people to sleep if needed. This room is officially ranked for 6 maximum capacity, but you could definitely fit 8 in it if needed. You have TV here with the Bose sound system, sound bar, which you can use with your Bluetooth. Also comes with a DVD player here. And this huge wardrobe here on the left, which can be used as a closet for kind of main purposes if needed, but you can also just use it for, if anybody's staying out here in the main room. Right off of the living room is the main balcony. Has a dining table here with seating for 6, as well as seating for 2 over there in front of one of the bedrooms. The official floor plan map actually had that balcony off of the master bedroom, but it's officially actually off of the smaller bedroom in here, so I guess it can kind of shift. If we go down the hallway here, you can see the smallest bedroom, which in our unit has the balcony off of it. This is the smallest bedroom. It's still a decent size, has a king size bed in it, its own TV, and a closet here behind the door. All of the rooms do have ceiling fans in them. If I turn on the lights here in the bathroom, this is the bathroom for the 2 side bedrooms, the non-master bedrooms that is. So you have a stacker there that's normally filled with towels when you check in. You have a bath shower combo with the Westin wand, the Westin shower wand there, as well as a rainfall shower head. This huge lit mirror vanity with a single sink, and then the toilet room. And then this bathroom space is huge because it also is shared with the washer dryer. So you have a stackable washer dryer combo here in the guest bathroom. So if I go ahead and turn back out this way, I'm gonna go back into the 3rd bedroom. I'll show you the master at the end here, I guess. So over here you have a little sitting area. This is the larger of the smaller, of the other bedrooms that aren't the master. You can see here the nice wood headboard, another king size bed with a TV over here on a stand. We are in an oceanfront suite, so all of the rooms do have an ocean view, which is really, really nice. Definitely worth it. All right, so now I'll take you into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom also has a king bed, and we have the crib over there with our daughter in it, but you can see we have this huge window here. Like I said, sometimes that can be a balcony, sometimes it's not. Have a closet right there, another TV, and then directly next to the bed, there's my other daughter in the bed. You can see all of the details there on the headboard too of the wood engraving that they did, which is really, really nice. But directly to the left of the bed here is this huge, huge bathroom. I actually have to back up to capture it. It has this massive pedestal tub. Very nice. As well as a shower, separate shower and tub. And then you can see the double vanity over here to my left with the lit mirror. That door right there takes you to the toilet room, which you can see there. And if you're worried about privacy for this with kids or anything like that, Behind the main door to the room, there's actually a big, it's kind of hard to capture it, these big wooden panel doors that slide all the way across. So let me slide them across here. And you can see what that looks like. They don't need to be closed all the way, so if you wanted, you can open up one of these just to come in and out. You can leave it kind of closed like that. It doesn't lock necessarily for full privacy, like kids could still open it if they need to, but you can kind of see that in there. So anyway, that is the room tour. You can see it's been well enjoyed.